The dual plot interface is unique in the sense that there are two individual plot areas rather than one. So let's take a look at it now. As we can see, there are two plot areas. Top plot area goes from 0 to 60 seconds in its x-axis, and the bottom plot area goes from 0 to 180 seconds. The y-scales are similar, going from 0 to 1000 in both of them. On the right-hand side, we have the standard menu items, but they're arranged in a little bit different order than we're used to at the bottom. Let's begin by plotting some data. Let's come down here to our rocker switch and click on it. And here are our data plots beginning. We're plotting two channels of analog data on the top and two channels of analog data on the bottom, both of which, by the way, are the same channels for that matter. On the top, we have channel 0 and channel 1. Channel 0 is black and channel 1 is red. On the bottom, channel 0 is blue and channel 1 is green. So we're able with this dual plot interface to do a number of things, one of which is to change the channels that we can plot. Let's do that right now. Let's come up here to the top area, and instead of channel 0 and channel 1, let's make it channel 3 and channel 4. Since our data input is 10 sine wave channels coming in, then they're going to look pretty much similar, but nevertheless we can see now that by plotting channel 3 and 4 on our top plot against channel 0 and 1, they are different. We can also change the colors. Let's come down here and change the color of our plot 0 to something different. Let's start with, let's say, a pinkish color for channel 0. And then for channel 1, come down here and do maybe a purple. That's how we change our channel colors. And let's also adjust the Y scale. We're going to make it so that we can see our plots a little bit easier. So now our Y scale is going from 0 to 250 at the bottom, and let's adjust it to 0 to 500 at the top. We can also come in here and change our label in the y-axis to something like plot 1, and then we have our label there, plot 1. Come down here to the bottom plot and make that plot 2. So our dual plot channel gives you the ability to plot analog data in two plot windows. And once again, we have all the other features of the standard interfaces here on the right-hand side to be able to manipulate the data.